Hi everybody, welcome to ELI 82 Hybrid Edition. This is just an introduction video to help you navigate the course websites that we will use to run the online portion of the course. So I'm just going to show you the desktop that I have running here, and you can follow along if you like to get to the course websites that we'll use. So here we go. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into your University of Hawaii email. And next thing you're going to do is go to laulima.com, laulima.hawaii.edu. And once you do that, you're going to click on the actual course that you're in. So you should have all of your courses up here, and you can select ELI 82-003, and it should say Fall 18. Okay. Once you get there, you can look here. We've got the course website information. And you can find information on the websites I'm about to show you about weekly lessons, guidelines, deadlines for assignments, other useful tips and tricks to improve your learning experience. So you can see here on the left side we have a Google course site. There's a Google Classroom and Google Docs calendar. So we're going to use these three for the entire majority of the course. And Google Classroom is where you're going to submit assignments, and you can read about the assignment directions. The Google site, so let's just click these here. So once you click it, it will open the actual website for you. Okay, so here's our Google site. Here you have all the information like the syllabus, the course calendar, the expectations, any introductory videos, as well as guidelines for the major assignments. So you can see here those are all listed in order. And then finally, under the navigation page, you can see the lessons, and I will be updating those weekly. So you can check those out. The other two, we can go back here. You've got, that was the Google site. That's the class site. And then we have the classroom, which is where you will do most of your coursework submissions. So let's go to Google Classroom. Now, this might not pop up for you right away. Since I'm the teacher, you can see that. What it looks like, I'm going to show you how to get into the Google Classroom. Okay, so you have to actually join. So what I'll have you do is just go to Google, type in Google Classroom, and let's do this under a different, my personal email. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google Classroom, click that first one, and then you'll probably see something like this. Okay, so create or join your first class. You're going to do that. Click the plus sign, join a class, and we need the class code. So let's go back to the Google site. Okay. The class code is right here on that first page, course information. Okay. And that's going to be, we'll just copy, go back to the Google site, paste, and click join. Great. Okay, so now you can see this stream. You can see different assignments. We have an introduction to the course and how to sign into Google accounts. Also, some different assignments here and their due dates. Okay, and you'll see here the Monday assignment is right here. So let's take a look back at the hybrid course site. So let's go look at week 1. Okay, week 1, so the first day is online, the second day is going to be face-to-face, and that's going to be every Monday and Wednesday. Okay, so we have all of your instructions, what we're going to do for that day, as well as on Wednesday, we'll meet in Moore Hall 153A. Okay, and here you can see on Monday, I would like you to familiarize yourself with this site, just like I'm showing you. Join the classroom, Google Classroom, and then make a video audio self-introduction. So we can actually click that assignment here, and it'll take me right to the Google Classroom, okay, which is pretty slick. So it'll take me right to the assignment, and what's really cool is that the Google Classroom, anytime that I make an assignment for you, it will create an assignment folder for you in your Google Drive. Okay, so I can go to my Google Drive. And you'll see here this little Rubik's Cube looking thing. You can find Google Drive right here. And again, the classroom, you'll see that folder popped up right away. So that folder is right here, ELI82, so the classroom has automatically added that to my Google Drive. Not only that, it's going to show you any assignments that you have to do. Okay, so you should be able to submit those there as well. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Okay, and I can see introduction assignment is due right away, so I'm going to click on that. And here you can see add any work you want to add to that, whether that's a link or a file or it's on Google Drive, and then you can mark that as done. Okay, if you want to ask me a question, you can ask a comment there as well. All right, just going back here to the Google Classroom, we've got a Google Docs calendar as well that I've created, and that's going to go week by week. So you can see that here as well. So really there's no excuse for you to not know what's going on. I've got it here on the Google Calendar, and this is going to be your most updated version. So just because it gives you a clear picture of the whole semester. And then you can also see that on the Google site. If you remember that, week 1, week 2, 3, 4, etc. So just taking a look here. So we've got join the class for day 1 and submit your first Google assignment on Google Classroom. This is for online week 1. You know, you can go on in week 2, week 3, and all the way through. Okay, and the links are on here as well and on the Google site. Okay, so we're using Google Site, Google Classroom, and that Google Calendar. Okay. Finally, if you'll notice, this also has a calendar for you. Okay. So let's go back here, and it puts it right into your calendar. Okay. So you can see what's going on. What's due. So let's click on here. Oh, Monday I've got an assignment, right? And then next week you'll see again that assignment and when it's due. And you can just click on it there too. Okay, so that's basically it. You really won't be using Laulima much. You'll only be using the Google site to find out what's going on, and the Google Classroom to submit your assignments and find out the instructions. And just for a broad view, the Google Calendar. Alright, so that's all I've got for you guys today. We'll see you face-to-face on Wednesday, and I'll see you, hopefully I'll see your video submissions on Monday. You can submit those, okay, on Monday or Tuesday. Latest Tuesday at midnight. Alright, we'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.